Hello and welcome to my online tutorial. My name is Franklyne Abung'ana. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a transfer on the TSC online portal. Now for you to begin this, you must have the following information. Number one, you need your TSC number. Of course, this one applies to the teachers who are already in the system. Number two, you need your national identification card number. Then number three, you need your mobile phone number. The handset should be within your reach because that's where the 6-digit authorization code will be sent to. Then number five, you should be having in mind your preferred county and sub-county. Now the counties will be on the system. You'll be given a list to select from, and sub-counties will be loaded basing on the county you have selected. Then number five, you should be having a reason for your transfer. Some of the reasons you'll be given to select from are your aging parents, domestic violence, insecurity, joint spouse, medical, or overstay. And then finally, you should be having a supporting document or documents for your transfer. You'll be also given a list to select from. It can be medical, that is, in case of medical reasons, you can have a letter from a medical facility or a qualified medical personnel just to support that reason. You can have a letter from police in case of violence or insecurity, or any other document that can add some weight on your transfer so that it can be effected accordingly. Now, once you have all this information, you are now ready to begin the exercise of applying for your transfer online. Remember to subscribe at the end of this tutorial so that you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. So let's get into the system and welcome. Launch your browser and in the address bar, key in the TSC website, tsc.go.ke, and hit the enter key on your keyboard to launch the search engine. The updates will pop up. Click the X sign to cancel the updates. We are working on update number 5, online teacher transfer application. Move to online services. In the drop down, move to human resource management information system for teachers. You'll see transfer and head of institution portal. Click on transfer. Give it some time to load, and of course it won't take long. Now you'll be taken to the following window or dialog box where you need to enter your details, your TSC number, ID number, and the phone number. The phone number should be within your reach because that's where the 6-digit code will be sent. Once you are done, you can now click the login button to proceed and wait for the 6-digit code. So click on login button, wait for the code. Once it hits into your phone, just key in and log in. Now you'll be taken to this window where you need to submit your request for transfer. So the next step is for you to submit your request for transfer. The following dialog box will pop up where you need to enter the length of stay at your present school or station. Key in the number of years, or use the scroll handles to increase or decrease the values. Repeat the same for the length of stay in the same county. Now below it, we have a place for counties. That's the county where you wish to be transferred to. Select the county. The system will load sub-counties based on the county you have selected. So select the sub-county again. Below it, we have the reason for your transfer. So in the list, select the reason for your transfer. 10 years is a long period of time, so I'll select an overstay. Details are optional. You can now move to date and type in the date. can click on the calendar icon and adjust the date accordingly. Below it is the email address. I believe the new email address. So type in your email address, check the declaration box and hit the OK button. So you'll be taken to this window with a summary of your details. Once satisfied, you can now attach a document. The following dialog box will pop up. Select the attachment type, medical, police certificate or other, and then choose a file. By going to browse, you'll be taken to your files or into your files. Select the document to attach, and then after that move to the remarks section. They are also optional. Once you are done, check that box and click OK, or you can cancel. You can as well remove or view the document. Click submit. The following notification will show on your screen. Application for transfer has been submitted. You can as well edit the request, withdraw the request, or print the request for transfer. For example, when you want to edit, you will be taken to the previous window where you can edit all these details. Once you are done, check that declaration box and click OK. On withdrawal, you are asked, are you sure? If you are sure, click OK. If you are not sure, cancel and check the areas where you are not sure of, and then click OK. So next, you can print your transfer request for the sake of filing. And this is a preview of your transfer request. You can save as PDF or print directly on your printer to have a hard copy. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. See you next.